If you've been gardening as long as I have, you've probably noticed how much of our garden inspiration is now digital. I miss the physical magazines, things that were tangible, pages you could turn, and had photos that were worth keeping. So, because of that, I created the Potting Shed Post. It's a monthly letter filled with inspiration and ideas from my garden delivered straight to your mailbox, not your email. I already spend enough time online. I do my banking online, I read my email online, and I follow the news online. So I'm not looking for more screen time when it comes to enjoying my gardening. I used to love Garden Design magazine that came in the mail. I looked forward to it every month. It was a magazine you could flip through over and over. I saved every issue. I cut the photos out for my vision boards. It just was a different kind of feeling, and I miss that. So the Potting Shed Post is my way of bringing that feeling back. It's a printed letter that I'm sending to your mailbox every month. Ideas from my garden, inspiration from gardens I've visited, nursery hopping I've done, tips that are valuable but too small to make up a whole video. So let me show you exactly what it is and what you can expect to find inside. Each month, members receive a letter from me by snail mail. The subject's going to change with the season, but the purpose will stay the same. I want to share practical garden tips, seasonal inspiration, and ideas that are just worth sitting with for a while. The letter will include postcards with photos that I took myself, either from my own garden or from gardens I visited, hoping that it's going to inspire you to level up your own projects. I'm going to include to-do lists, project ideas, bookmarks, occasional stickers, all kinds of little paper goodies, garden related. So the Potting Shed Post will never replace making videos. I love making videos for you. It's just a quiet companion to it and a tangible companion, something that does not create more screen time. So here's the details. It's a monthly subscription. It's $11 a month. You can sign up with the link in the description, but I'll also put the link in the comments. You can cancel at any time because it's month to month. If you find out it's not for you, you can just cancel. There's no risk. And after that, it'll come out on the first of every month, sent straight to your mailbox. So if you're looking for a way to enjoy gardening content away from the screen, a way that is not digital, something you can look forward to, open, experience holding in your hand, enjoying with a cup of coffee, that's what my Snail Mail Club is all about. I hope my Potting Shed Post gives you one more way to enjoy your garden. Thanks so much for being here. I look forward to seeing you in the mailbox.